Hello Raiders, my name is Davin Kim. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and here are your Raider announcements. Do you love making stories on the spot without thinking what comes next? Well, you're in luck because Improv Club is looking for some new members. Join us September 10th in Miss Painter's room to play improv games and learn about competitive improv. Please come see Miss Painter in the Fine Arts Department to get a pass. Oh, didn't see you there. Do you love reading books and want to talk to people about those books? Well, you're in luck because Book Club is having its first meeting on September 10th. Please see Miss Hensley in the library for more. Now here's a PSA from David Mood on the cell phone policy at Rouse.
So as we all know, pi is 3.141592. I think it keeps going, 653. But then pi. And so basically these are all the formulas you need to be successful in English for the rest of the week. So if everyone's pretty much got this, I'm going to go ahead and erase it.
Stop. Don't be like this guy. Put your phones up.
Rouse beat Connolly 57-10. And a quick shout out to London Morgan, who got 3 touchdowns with 256 passing yards. I don't know football, but that's a lot of numbers.
Brothers out there flaking and perpetrating, scared to kick reality. Yo, man, a lot of brothers out there flaking and perpetrating, scared to kick reality.
Get the gas up. Get the gas. Get the gas. Get the gas. Get the gas up. Load it up. Get the gas up. Load it up. Get the gas. Get the gas. Get the gas.
Remember to wear black this Friday in order to support our football team against Liberty Hill at Liberty Hill High School. I'm going to tell you a little secret. We have something planned on Friday, but you just have to stick around and see that. Thank you for watching. My name is Davin Kim, and this was your Raider Announcements.